With Separation Studio 4, your imagination is the limit. Go crazy and have fun with all the possibilities. In this video, we'll explore a couple different ways to print this image with interesting effects. First, let's start by opening PressFit and arranging the print order. Now we're ready to open the print window. We're going to have different settings for each separation, so we'll start by turning off Apply to All. The only separation we want solid is PMS 123 yellow, so we'll leave that separation style as solid and change the others to halftone. We want to try printing this with a slightly coarse halftone, so we'll go ahead and make the frequency for all halftone separations 30. Now let's print and see how it looks. The coarse halftones certainly added a nice comic book-like feel to the art. But what if we wanted to make the effect on the green and blue a little more extreme? Let's go back to the print window and make some adjustments. We're happy with the PMS 123 yellow and the black separations, so we'll turn those off so we don't waste film and ink. Next, we'll change the blue separation halftone shape to line with an angle of 0 and a frequency of 10. This will make the halftones horizontal lines with moderate thickness. Let's try making the green halftones even more coarse. We want to be able to see them as dots from a good distance away. So let's set that frequency to 5. This will make them very coarse. Now let's print this and see how it looks. Wonderful! The blue lines and coarse green halftones really make this art stand out. And all this was done with only a few clicks in Separation Studio 4.